Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to see vent feature in SolidWorks. For that I am going to create vents for this fan cover. This is basically a fan cover and this is the front face, and here we are going to create the vents. For that, let's select this face, click on sketch, and now let's create some circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I have 5 circles, and now let's give them some dimensions. Now using smart dimension, give dimension to the outer circle. It will be about 220 mm, and now the next circle will be about 180 mm. Again the next circle about 140 mm, and similarly next for about 100 mm, and the last one for about 60 mm. So here I have 5 circles. Now we need to create the ribs for this vent. For that, let's select line, and from the center create a vertical line. And now we don't need the inner part of this line, so we need to trim that. For that, let's select trim entities and make it trim. Now we need to select the circular sketch pattern. For that, we will go to the linear sketch pattern, and here we have the circular sketch pattern. In the parameters, we have to select the center. So here we have the center, this point, center point, and now need to select the pattern. So this line will be the pattern, and we need about 9 lines. So here we have 9 lines, and now click on OK, and you can exit the sketch. So here we have the skeleton sketch, or you can say it is a web for the vents. Now let's go to the insert, and here we have fastening feature. In this you will see vent. Select vent, and now it is asking for the boundary. So here you have to select the outermost circle. So here we have this circle as the outermost, so let's select it, and you can see it has already selected a face. So SolidWorks has detected that this face we are going to use to create vents, so it is there already. Now we need to select the ribs. So here we have the ribs, so let's select the ribs, and let's select ribs. So we have selected all the ribs, and in the ribs we have this depth for the ribs and the thickness of the ribs. So depth is basically the thickness. So if you want to increase the thickness, if you can, like let's make it 2 mm. So it was 1 mm before, and let's make it 2 mm. And thickness you can also modify, I mean the width. Okay, so in this way you can modify the ribs. So next we have is spars. So let's create spars. Select the spars, and now we need to select the circles, starting from the outermost body to the inner circle. So here we have the circles. Again we have the depth for the spars. So we have this depth over here. We need depth about 2 mm. So here we have 2 mm depth, and now you can modify the width. Let it be 4 mm, similar to the ribs. So in this way you can create a vent for any of your sheet metal part or for any other design. So this was all about the vent feature. Click on OK, and the vent is ready. I hope now you can easily create your vents using this tutorial. Thanks for watching.